Welcome to my experience channel. I am Ro. It's been a minute since I did a video about trading, so I got one for y'all today about what I've been trading this week. Also, if you haven't, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and make sure you share this. That helps me keep going and making these videos. But in this video, we're going to talk about a share that I just been trading this week. I think it's a great one. I'm going to break it down to you in Tradingview and just chart it so you can kind of see what made me, get interested in this trade. So with this stock, I'm gonna chart it in Tradingview. I usually use Thinkorswim to chart, but I'm gonna do a demonstration in Tradingview, how I chart in Tradingview for the ones that use Tradingview. So let's get right into it, y'all, so y'all can show you my chart. So right here, we're looking at NTNX, and it is Nutanix. Now about Nutanix, I don't know too much about it, but when I seen the chart, I seen some good. I seen some formations form, a pattern form that I like. That's what made me want to get into options. Now, as I'm looking and doing a little research, RBC adjusted its price target to 75 from 70. So that's one good sign that I saw. But we're going to get into it, and I'm going to show you the chart. So up here, if you got Tradingview, all you want to do is come right here over to the side, as you can see, and you see this little arrow right here. I'm going to start a trend line. So when I do a trend line, I'm trying to chart a chart. So what you want to do, you want to go over here to the trend line. You want to grab this tool right here. And as you can see, if you haven't learned how to chart yet, you need to learn. Make sure to click that link to join my Discord so you can see me doing these trades live. And you can interact and you can get alerts and you can just get all the good stuff where you can make some money on some of the alerts that I give out. So here we got NTNX. I called this also in my Discord. Right here, I see some support some support right here because this bounced off it. I also see some support down here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make my lines real quick. Bam. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna add another line right there. There we go. And then I'm gonna add a line right here at the top. All right, so I'm gonna add another line. I'm gonna add a line right here at the top. So right here, it might be a little cricket, y'all, so don't judge me. I'm just putting it in there for demonstration. So also in Tradingview, what's pretty cool, if you're making your line, you can change the color right here. You go up to the top with that pencil. Say I want this green because I know once it gets green, I'm making money, so I'll put it right there. And then this bottom line is some support, but I don't want it to break this support because it may go down, so I may change this to red, y'all. So it looks kind of red. So it gives me my, my mind frame that, hey, that's a stop, so get out of there. Once it's green, I'm making money. So as you can see in this chart right here, you can see the stock had a big rise right there, big spike. Once it hits the top, seller's gonna sell and it's gonna drive the price down. So as you can see, the stock came all the way down. I wanna set another line right here that I just seen that I missed. So we're gonna set it right there. You never wanna trade blind. You always wanna have an idea where it's bouncing. So right now that I added these lines, I can look right here and say, okay, this is a little consolidation. This is a little phase that it's in. Once it breaks out of there, it's going to go up to the next level. And that's what it did. Today, as you can see, after that big drop, it came down. But look, it found support right here. So it tested that support, goes up, tests this other right here, and then comes back down, and then goes up right here. And as you can see, it broke through there. It broke through that line. So once it broke through that line, I know it's going to the next, it's a break of structure for one, and it's going to the next level. And as you can see, it went back up here. And as you can see, it went all the way up. It bounced off that line again, and then went all the way up to this line and bounced off that line. So right now, it's either going to break through that line. As you can see, it went down and retested this line and went back up. So the bears was not in control. Bulls was in control. So this made me very interested in this stock, y'all. And on this stock, I did some calls. I did a long swing call on this one where I bought in at support. So if it breaks the support, I'm automatically out, and I'm, out with a minimum loss. You never want to buy, if you look at these lines, you never want to buy in the middle. So you don't want to buy here. when you could have bought here. Because if you would have bought here, right here, then it bounced down, bounced up, bounced down, you would have lost money. So it's always best to buy in at support or up at the top right here. I know this is the next level. So you could do a buy-in right here because you know, look where it's going. So now it's gonna just cycle in this little phase. You know, I'm hoping it's gonna retest. Let me stretch out the chart, y'all, so y'all can see. It's gonna retest this high over here. Now, a lot of times when you got these stocks, you wanna stretch your charts out so you can see. This is, I think I got this on the 5-minute chart. So let's stretch it out and see. So that way we could look and see what it's doing. So this what got me interested. So as you can see, it already had hit this level and tested it and couldn't break through. And then it went all the way down. But then it bounced right here. And that's another thing, you would chart this. Here's your line. I'm gonna set my little line right there. And you could chart all these up, but I'm just doing this as an example. So once it bounced off that line, it hit there, went all the way up. It got rejected right here. That's where it got rejected. So I can set a line right there. There we go. There's our line right there for rejection. And as you can see, when you look at the stock now you can see another little channel that it's in right here. Bam, 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 bam. It's hitting there, going down here. It hasn't broke through this line, but it's touching it, but then it's going back up. So right now, this kind of tells me like, hey, the next move is either going to be in this range, right up here. So that's where I'm looking for the stock to go. I'm looking for it to go right here. They say it has a price target of 75 in my Discord. Let's see what I called. I alerted this right after the bill, and I also alerted this and I put a price target of 65. So I set a price target of 65. So I'm looking at it to get up to this type of range. Once it clears here, it will definitely move up into this range. Now, you don't have to hold these long. Once you get into options, if it moves up and it gets past your percentage or your take profit, then take profit. You know, you don't have to hold these all the way. The expiration I put on there is October 18th, which is a long expiration, but you don't have to hold it there. If you see 20% on your return on what you invested in, take that. Or if you see 30%, take that. You know, the good plays do run 50%, 100%. I've been in plays that ran 1,000%. Those are the great plays. So you want it, to touch that. But a lot of times, I always say, if you see profit, take it. Because you never know. With options, they are kind of risky. As you can see, if I stretch the chart, I see some levels up here. It was in this little level up here. So that's what we're aiming to. It already bounced here, went down, bounced again. So I think it's ready to break through this. So this gave me a good sign that, hey, when I stretch it back, it already was in a phase up here. It tapped that, bounced down, couldn't do it, tapped that, but it didn't break that. It's still stuck around. So this is this kind of good signal that, hey, this is ready to go back up to this level. And then from here, hey, then you get you back into 65. And then like the price target, they said it in the 75, which is huge, is up there. So if any of this information that I just showed you helped you and you learned something new, please subscribe, please share my page, and please hit the like button. Also hit that link so you can subscribe to my Discord so you can be a member. I'm trading there usually 3 days a week. I'm usually on pre-market and definitely at the morning bill. Pre-market, we trade low cap stocks. Those are stocks, with small market cap. It'd be from penny stocks to anywhere to 8 cents to $2. So we trade those. And then at 9:30, of course, we trade options. We do the max 7, but I'll be looking for stocks just like this. So if you subscribe to that Discord channel, go through the trade wins. You can see the wins that I did, the wins that I made, and you can see some other members that posted their wins. So go to that Discord, y'all. Become a member. I got a great community. I call out alerts. I'm trading in there 3 times a week, sometimes 5. usually in the mornings, early mornings, and then sometimes I'll pop back in during the afternoon, give some plays there. But I call these plays, I give them out in my Discord. I call ones, I see what's good. So you don't, even if you don't have time to sit and watch the charts, you can still go in there, get some good swing trades, get into some plays, and watch some money grow. In my Discord, I got plays running just like that all the time. I'm calling out plays. I'm up early in there looking for plays. So this is a great channel to join. That way, if you're not on the charts as much and you don't know what to get in, when to get out, or how to chart it, you could just get in there, send a message, say, hey, this is what I'm in. Let me know how this look. I call out some plays. You could take the plays that I play. Go into my trade wins channel. See the wins. You know, a lot of times I believe seeing is believing. So once you see like, hey, the profits that we done made and some of the members made, you're gonna be like, hey, I'm in the right place. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you share it. Make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe, because that keeps me going to make videos like this.